How to change your birthday on Fortnite. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your birthday on Fortnite, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, changing your birthday on Fortnite is quite a simple thing to understand because your Fortnite account comes from your Epic Games account. So bottom line is that you have to change the age for your Epic Games account. But the catch here is pretty simple. When you go to epicgames.com and log into your account, you click your profile icon and then you go to account, you'll come to notice here that there is no option to change your age. So Epic Games does not make it easy for us to change our age or our birthday. So to do this, we have to simply contact the support. So right here you can say support, click the support button here. Then here you can say different sort of support that you might need help with over here, right? But you can just go to accounts here. Now here you can just select accounts again. And here you can see different sort of topics, but we will ignore that. And at the bottom you can see, can't find what you're looking for, contact us. So click on the contact us button. Then all you have to do is simply go ahead and select start a live chat option here. So if it is available, you'll find an option to start a live chat, and once you click on that, you'll be able to talk to a live agent, and then they'll be able to help you with changing your age. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.